How to log in to your Spectrum account. Hey everyone, welcome back to a new tutorial video of TechTube. If you're also trying to log in to your Spectrum account, then in this video let me show you how it's done. For the people who don't know, Spectrum is a broadband service, which is a service related to your internet, mobile services, cable TV and your home phone. So to log into your account, open up the website of spectrum.com and you can see this interface. Now to log into your account, you can click on the sign in button that you see on the home page. If you don't see this option, you can also click on the sign in button on the top right. Either way, it's going to take you to the same section. Now in this section, either you can type in your username, email address or the phone number that you used. It does not have to be only your username. You can either enter your email address or your phone number as well. So type in your username and then in the second box type in the password. If you want to reveal this password, you can click on this eye icon. Now in case you don't remember your username or your password, you can scroll down and click this link which says forgot username or password. And through this section you can follow the steps to recover either your username or your password. Now once you fill in both this information, you can check this box which says I'm not a robot and then click on sign in, and if the information that you entered is correct, you will be successfully signed in to your Spectrum.net account. That was a real quick and easy video. I hope you guys understood and found this video helpful. If this video did help you out, be sure to subscribe to our channel and also give this video a thumbs up. That's going to be all for today's video. I'll see you guys with more informative videos just like this.